Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you, introduce you, to TPACK. And one thing that's kind of neat, if you press this present right here, because you're going to be using Gamma, it will present it like a PowerPoint. So TPACK is a model that integrates technology, pedagogy, content knowledge for effective education, so for teaching and learning. And so basically what happens is whenever we're thinking about TPACK, we're thinking about technology, pedagogy, and content. So it highlights the intersection between these three so that they kind of naturally, seamlessly affect the integration of technology into education. So the folks that developed this believe that you really have to have an understanding of your content knowledge before you can really add that technology. So content knowledge they refer to as CK. And then you also have to have a strong pedagogical knowledge. So you have to have understanding of teaching methods and strategies, and that's the PK. And then you also have to have the technology knowledge. So you need to understand the technology tools that are available and how they can be used in the classroom. So if we look at the example, the content knowledge would be understanding algebra. And then the pedagogy knowledge would be you wanted to do some collaborative learning strategies to teach algebra. And then the technology knowledge would be, okay, well, let me find some educational apps that help with teaching algebra, but also maybe some collaborative learning. So once again, this kind of explains it, and this is a chart that is used to help understand TPACK. And you have to, it's just a different way of just saying what I just shared, but you have to understand the content, the pedagogy, and the technology before you can integrate it. And that's the TPACK integration, and you create a lesson based off of those, the prior knowledge that you have in those areas. So in summary, I think we've said a lot: technology, pedagogy, content. It does not treat technology as separate from teaching and learning, but it meshes it together and believes that there are meaningful intersections that there are intersections that lead to meaningful use of technology.